Clone or Not to Clone: An Exploration of Human Cloning and the Implications on Modern-Day Society. Hi, this is Michael Bonner, and today we're going to talk about human cloning. You can see we have the support and the opposition for each, and kind of just go through what human cloning is. It might be something new to everybody. So, first of all, I know some of you have probably seen the movie Jurassic World. There was a movie back in the day called Jurassic Park. I don't know how old everybody is, but Jurassic World is basically they took two dinosaurs, or multiple dinosaurs, and clone them together to make it one big angry dinosaur. I also think of the movie Multiplicity. That was, I think, in 1996, where the guy, this one's a little bit of a comedy, where the guy, he basically couldn't keep up with his family because of his job and everything, so he created four different hymns. And it's funny because, there's the original, and then the second one is a little bit less of a person, and then the third one, and then finally the fourth one is, he's really slow, and he just doesn't get it and everything. So it's kind of a funny movie. It's not for everybody, but anyway. But what the biggest thing we're going to talk about is Dolly the sheep. She was the first mammal cloned. And, of course, that was a pretty big accomplishment because that's the first mammal ever cloned. So it could, scientists thought, well, that could be possible. Maybe we can go into human cloning. So first, I want to give you a definition of, a clone is any cell or individual which is identical to each other. But in biology, cloning is the process of producing one or more genetically identical individuals. And this is deliberately produced, so, they are reproducing this on purpose. It happens naturally throughout nature and everything, but they're going into a lab and reproducing like they did for Dolly. But of course, like I said earlier, when it comes to Dolly, it set off all kinds of, well, this could be great, this could be awful, and we want to explore this as much as we can. And it's been going on since, when I think it was about 20 years ago since she was first cloned, and it's just been going on since then. So for the support, it's eliminating defective genes. It's helping reproduce. Mom and dad go in and they can't have a baby normally, so that maybe this will help them with the cloning can help them reproduce another or a child. With the faster recoveries from traumatic injuries, I remember that Christopher Reeves, that played the first Superman in the movies, he fell off a horse and he was paralyzed. Well, I know he was a big proponent for, stem cell, which would be the duplication of the cells, and that would, make him be able to walk or make him get better. And then for the human, the cure for the health disorders, well, Michael J. Fox is a big one that comes to mind where he has Parkinson's. And, again, if we had the cell reproducing, we could maybe go and remove that bad cell and, add the good cell and make him not have, the Parkinson's might be eliminated. And again, so of course there's always an opposition, possibility of faster aging. You add an old DNA from a cell to a younger, what kind of effect will that have? Of course, it interferes with nature. Everything is going through their natural process. If you add this crazy idea, possibly could affect everything that's going on. Of course, there's religion. Some religious people tend to think that, God created humans and they want to keep it that way. And it's also, there's been a lot of failure. And, when I was looking through, there was a cloning of 2 monkeys. Well, it took 79 attempts to actually get those monkeys cloned and get them, so they would not die. So it's something that is very interesting to me because I think, like I said, it can help. To me, I see that it can help more than it can hurt. If you have those injuries, you have those specific, difficulties. That's stuff that we could help with. It's something to look into. Maybe we're not quite there yet. You see, eventually it might be a big thing where it could come in and just help with everything that we need, and it could be something that might be a big failure. So I hope everybody likes my project, and I'm looking forward to reading everybody else's. Thank you.